逢中國加拿大建交40週年，中國胡錦濤主席成功訪問加拿大，與加拿大總理哈珀友好會晤，使中加關係邁上咗一個新嘅台階。為此，今屆龍舟節設立中加友誼杯龍舟賽事，藉以紀念中加建交40週年，中加兩國人民嘅友誼地久天長。
我哋能夠得到咁好嘅成績，就係因為有你哋嘅支持同埋你哋嘅幫助。我哋15年已經過去，我哋展望龍舟會嘅將來，百尺竿頭更進一步，仲要依賴你哋加倍嘅支持，我哋然後有機會繼續前進。
Thanks to the untimely endeavors of the Montreal Chinese community in recent years, the Dragon Boat Race has become a platform for displaying Montreal's multiculturalism.
The MIDBRF represents a unique opportunity to showcase the success of our multicultural society. Boat racing, an ancient Chinese tradition, takes on a new significance, with athletes from all over the world coming together in a friendly competition and a celebration of our thriving diversity.
Année après année, ce festival est devenu un événement pas seulement sportif, mais culturel attendu, inscrit dans les activités estivales des Montréalais de toute origine.
And I would like to take the opportunity to congratulate and commend the organizer of this event. They have been so successful year after year, and they have contributed significantly to multiculturalism in Montreal, and also to the friendship of Hong Kong and Montreal.
We will continue to work hard to really portray the multiculturalism of Montreal, and we have the success of Montreal at heart, and we'll work together.
I am very honored to be here today because we are celebrating the 15th edition of the Dragon Boat Festival. We're also celebrating the 40th anniversary of the Canada-China relations. I would like also to congratulate the organizing committee, Mr. Stephen Yu, Jimmy Yu, Jenny, and all the other people who have put together this wonderful celebration.
Merci, bienvenue au Parc Jean-Drapeau et merci au maire de Montréal, parce que la ville de Montréal, le Parc Jean-Drapeau, c'est à tous les citoyens et le maire de Montréal nous appuie dans toutes nos démarches. Bonne journée, bonne chance aux coureurs. Merci. You know what's important about this major event? It's that this year it's special because we're celebrating the 25th anniversary of the twinning of Montreal with Shanghai. And we're also celebrating the World's Fair, which is a major event that is happening presently in Shanghai. And as you know, the city of Montreal has a pavilion in Shanghai, and we're very proud to be able to participate in this major exposition. Remember, last year we went to China for their Dragon Boat race, and we finished 5th. But this year, we finished 3rd. Where's Jimmy Chan? Is Jimmy Chan here with his team? Now, if you do the equation, 5 to 3, 3, 2, 1. Next year, we're number 1, and we're going to celebrate the Chinese community. We're going to be the best in the world. They are here today, so have a nice day and enjoy this incredible International Dragon Boat Festival. Merci beaucoup.
Thank you.